Welcome, dear students, Borokhata Degree College on online class for HSC English second paper. Question number 4. Complete the sentence. Day before yesterday, we discussed the question number 5. Question number 5, the right form of verb. Today, we are going to discuss question number 4. That means complete the sentence. Dear students, this type of question is completely based on tense and some rules and regulation of other structure for making sentence. So, if you want to get a good mark, if you got a good mark in the exam, you will make a good practice on this type of sentence. If you make good understanding on this question, you have to gather correct use of sentence or some other rules, such as if you follow the chart, we make some example for your better understanding. Dear students, at the very first you should understand tense, 12 kinds of structure, such as present indefinite is equal subject plus verb plus object. If subject goes third person, then it goes subject plus verb or takes s or es plus object. If you follow 12 structure, then you can make 12 kinds of sentence, such as if we make one example for you, then you will come to better understand, such as Rana always make late. Then if you want to make this sentence correct, then you first think what kind of sentence is this, what type of sentence is this. If you think better, then you will find this sentence should be present indefinite tense. Then the correct answer will be makes. Clear, dear students? Then one after another if you learn 12 structure, then you will be able to give a correct answer for 12 sentence. After that, you have to learn very clearly to know some extra rules for making sentence. I would like to present some structures, such as if you follow the chart, then you will find some new words, such as if, as though, if, some conditional sentence, it is high time, I wish, we wish, I fancy, lest, would that, so dash that, enough, to, either or, neither nor, such as this kind of words, phrase belongs a structure, such as lest, it means not sure, such as when lest makes a sentence, then it means subject plus verb plus lest plus subject plus should plus verb 1, the present form of verb. I can give an example to better understand, such as walk carefully, lest you should miss the English first class. Do you understand this sentence? Subject plus verb plus lest plus subject plus should plus verb present form plus object. If you if you practice some more other words, such as if, as though, it is high time, if all four these words are makes a sentence like that, such as it is high time plus subject plus verb to, that means verb past participle form. Then you also think if plus subject plus verb to. After that you can find some I wish or we wish, I fancy or we fancy, such a plus subject plus verb to. That means four kinds of words takes after that past indefinite tense. That means a structural those words plus subject plus verb to, such as I wish I were a poet. If this sentence, if you learn clearly, we can make this type of question, this type of sentence, two kind of questions, such as firstly we can say we wish, we in bracket in B, beta B verb bracket equal to happy. Then you should answer this sentence, we wish we are happy. That means B plus B verb is am, is, or was, or shall, will. Then here it take were because it's a rule. It's a rules of sentence making. Such as you should remember, if I wish, it is high time, I fancy takes those words after past indefinite tense. Then you after that you also know some extra structure, such as so that. So that it means for but or reason. If you want to make a sentence by so that, then it should be subject plus verb plus so that plus subject plus can oblique may plus verb 1, such as he works hard so that he can make a good result. If this sentence again we represent you like that, he studies daily so that, make the sentence complete. This is called question number 4. Then you should answer this question. What? Good afternoon, dear students. I once again repeat it. If you want to make good on question number 4, that means completing the sentence, you have to learn some rules and regulations for making sentence. Such as I firstly told you that 12 kind of tense, 12 kind of structure. We can make 12 sentence by 12 tense. After that you have to learn, you have to get a clear conception about some words or phrase, such as lest, as if, it is high time. All these kinds of words are takes a structural form, such as I also told you that if or it is high time, I wish or we wish, all these kinds of words takes past indefinite tense. Then if you get like this kind of sentence, then you have to complete this sentence by rules of past indefinite tense. If you give you a example such as it is high time we stand against corruption. If you get against verb in bracket, then you have to write correct answer stood, because stand in past form stood. Do you clear understand, dear students? Thanks. Then you learn some extra rules such as so that, so dash dash that. All this type of words phrase takes also another structure, such as so that equal subject plus verb plus so that plus subject plus can oblique may or plus verb 1. If you get if you understand this structure, then you make sentence by these words, such as he studies daily so that he can make a good result. Do you understand, students? Is it clear? Thanks. Then again I told you that I give an introduction about English language. If you make good well in English of language, you have to do some rules, such as you must know some rules which makes sentence. Firstly, tense or such some other phrase or words, such as I already told you. So if you make better, if you make do well in the exam, if you want to make well in the exam, you have to practice again and again. If you can write answer in right time, then it will be helpful for you. If not, you will not a good mark in the exam. So wishing your grand success in exam, I must tell you that you have to practice regularly. If you practice this kind of words every day, it becomes crystal clear to you. It is become very easy to you to make 10 sentences. We will give you 10 incomplete sentences. Then you have to complete these sentences in correct order. If sometimes we also give one sentence and we need another sentence for the correct answer. Sometimes we give a sentence incomplete, such as subject plus verb plus something ... Then you have to complete this sentence according to tense or some other rules you have already learned. So dear students, I think a better future for you. I wishing you better success. I also thanks for our government. The government has taken such a program in this natural disaster COVID-19. So we should be stay at home. We should not go out in any time. We should follow the instruction of our government. So I think better success for all. Wishing good. Thank you. Thank you, Borokhata Degree College.